Guys, I'm getting bored with vacation to the RTB place. How about we go on a trip abroad this year?
Wow, that's a great idea. I was thinking the same thing. Where are we going?
I'm thinking of Japan. I've heard there are a lot of cool places there.
Japan sound good, but I prefer South Korea. I love K-pop, so I want to go there.
I agree with Risman. South Korea is great too. Plus, we can eat delicious Korean food.
Okay. So yeah, this is on South Korea, right? How much will it cost?
Let me check. Wow, flights to South Korea are kinder prices, about 5 million rupiah per person.
I can do that, but we need to budget for other things too.
I agree. We need to budget for accommodation, food, and more.
Okay, let's make a budget item is what? That was it. What else?
I'm in too, but we need a clear itinerary, okay?
Agree. I want to go to Seoul, Busan, and Jeju.
I want to go to Gyeongju. To head is amazing.
Okay, we'll find the itinerary later. The important thing is we're going to South Korea.
Okay.
Okay.
I